When you search for best high chairs, everything looks the same. Same padded seats, same trays, same safety clamps. But if you've actually tried feeding a wiggly toddler, you know the real differences aren't in the photos. They're in how easy it is to clean, how long it lasts, and whether it actually fits your life. Let's cut through the noise.
Product number 1, Ingenuity Baby Base 2-in-1. At just under $40, this is one of the most affordable options that still feels thoughtfully designed. What caught my eye is how compact and lightweight it is, only about 4.5 pounds, and it doubles as both a booster seat and a floor seat. If you want something simple, portable, and budget-friendly, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It straps onto almost any dining chair, with bottom straps that are 22 inches long and a back strap that's 36 inches, so it fits snugly on most standard chairs. The foam seat is soft but supportive, and when your baby outgrows the infant stage, you can remove the foam insert to turn it into a toddler booster. It holds up to 33 pounds, and the tray fits plates up to 11 by 5 inches, big enough for real meals. Plus, the BPA-free tray is dishwasher safe, and the whole base wipes clean with a damp cloth. Over 3,000 people bought this in the past month, which says a lot about its reliability. Now, some people complained about the seat back not being removable after installation. Here's the thing though, if you're using this primarily as a booster at the table, you probably won't miss that feature. It's designed for stability, not constant reconfiguration. And honestly, for under $40, that's a fair trade-off. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget or need a backup seat for grandparents' house. Skip this one if you want a full-sized high chair with a footrest or recline. For the price, it's a solid no-frills win.
Product number 2, Graco Slim Snacker. If the Ingenuity's lock of recline bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Graco Slim Snacker is built for small spaces and busy parents. It's ultra slim, folds in one hand in just 1 second, and stands on its own when folded, so you can tuck it behind a door or in a narrow closet. If you live in an apartment or hate clutter, this is a game changer. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's only 11.7 inches deep when folded, making it one of the slimmest high chairs on the market. But don't let the size fool you. It has 3 recline positions, a full-size tray with a cup holder, and a large storage basket underneath for bibs, wipes, or snacks. The seat pod wipes clean, and the footrest helps keep your toddler comfortable during long meals. Over 2,000 units sold last month show how much people love its space-saving design. Now, some people complained that the seat material isn't machine washable, just wipeable. Here's the thing though, if you're dealing with pureed carrots and yogurt, a quick wipe with a damp cloth usually does the trick. And honestly, the trade-off for that ultra slim fold is worth it for most families. This is perfect for you if you have a tiny kitchen or frequently move the chair around. Skip this one if you want a long-term convertible seat. This is best for babies up to toddler stage. For city living, it's a smart pick. Product number 3, Chico Zest LE 4-in-1 was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for families who want longevity. The Chico Zest LE is a 4-in-1 system that transforms from a high chair to a low feeding chair, toddler chair, and even a youth stool. At $99.99, it's pricier, but it grows with your child up to 60 pounds. That's years of use. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You can shorten the legs to turn it into a low chair for snacks or play, or remove the harness and tray entirely to create a sturdy stool for an older kid. The seat pad wipes clean, the tray is BPA-free and dishwasher safe, and the whole thing folds compactly with rear legs that tuck in. It's lightweight at 10.5 pounds, so you can move it from the kitchen to the living room easily. Over 1,000 sold last month, and it's a favorite among parents who hate replacing gear every year. Now, some people complain that the tray is a bit tricky to remove with one hand. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of the latch, it's not a big deal. And compared to buying 4 separate seats over 3 years, this one pays for itself. This is perfect for you if you want one chair that lasts through toddlerhood. Skip this one if you need something super portable or ultra cheap. For long-term value, it's hard to beat.
Product number 4, Graco Made to Grow 5-in-1. If the Chico's 4-in-1 design impressed you, wait till you hear about the Graco Made to Grow. This is a 5-in-1 convertible that goes from infant recline to big kid chair. Yes, even a stool and standalone seat for older children. At $99.99, it's the most versatile option here, And it's made with 100% recycled fabrics, which is a nice bonus. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It has a 3-position recline for newborns, adjustable height, and a dishwasher-safe tray insert that doubles as a plate. The seat pad is machine washable, huge for messy eaters, and the tray comes off with one hand. It even has wheels for easy moving around the house. With over 1,000 sold last month, it's clear parents love how it adapts to every stage. Now, some people complain that the wheels don't lock securely. Here's the thing though, if you're using it on carpet or a rug, it stays put just fine. And honestly, the mobility is more useful than the risk of rolling is dangerous. This is perfect for you if you want maximum flexibility and eco-friendly materials. Skip this one if you have a very small space. It's not the most compact when fully assembled. For growing families, it's a top-tier choice.
Product number 5, CheerKid Portable High Chair. The CheerKid Portable High Chair offers a lot for $56.99. It's a 4-in-1 design with a 5-point harness, detachable silicone tray, and machine washable cushion. It's sturdy, safe, and surprisingly feature-rich for the price. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 5-point harness keeps even the squirmiest toddlers secure, and the silicone placemat is great for catching crumbs. The cushion comes off and goes in the washing machine, no scrubbing required. It assembles in minutes with included tools, and the dimensions are roomy enough for comfort. Over 1,000 bought last month shows it's a hidden gem. Now, some people complain that the instructions were unclear. Here's the thing though, they email you a video guide after purchase, which makes setup way easier. Once it's up, it's solid. This is perfect for you if you want premium features without the premium price. Skip this one if you need ultra-compact storage. For the value, it's one of the best mid-range options out there.
So which one wins? The Ingenuity is best for tight budgets, the Graco Slim Snacker for small spaces, the Chico Zest LE for long-term use, the Graco Made to Grow for maximum versatility, and the CheerKid for the best value. Each has its strengths. Pick the one that fits your life, not just the photos.